Preparing posters. Hello children, welcome to this lesson on preparing posters. Posters have to attract the attention of the viewer and leave a visual impact. They are always made keeping a target audience in mind. Visuals like pictures and images are very important in a poster. Pictures and lettering both play a role in enhancing the overall impact of a poster. Though there is no fixed format that you have to follow when making a poster, you should keep a few things in mind. Ideally, one full page should be used for a poster. The poster should be put in a box. Start by giving a catchy slogan or caption. You can sometimes use both depending on the subject of your poster. Make sure that the theme or event that you are advertising is clearly stated and highlighted. Always include the purpose or occasion for which the poster has been designed. Mention the date, time, and place of the event. Posters usually carry a message of appeal, awareness, invitation, or promotion. At the end of the page, name the person or organization issuing the poster. Here are 2 sample posters for you. That's all for this lesson. I'll see you with a new concept and a new video.